Hi there, this is Dr. Malik from Best PSM Tutor, and this is part 4 of the up and down of the two-solvent approach. Cardiology seemed to be so hard in medical school. Oh my God, all those murmurs and the heart sounds and stuff. Let's make it real simple. Whenever the blood goes down, remember, falling down, water goes down. Blood is kind of like water mostly, so when it goes down, diastolic murmurs. And you have to squeeze that systole, squeeze to push it up against gravity. So those are systolic murmurs. To take an example on the left side of the heart, if you have mitral stenosis, or if you have left atrial myxoma, which is sitting on the top of the mitral valve, then going down, diastolic murmurs at the apex, because apex is the area of the mitral valve. Aortic valve, on the other hand, blood going up. So what will happen now? HOCM or aortic stenosis, blood going up, systolic murmurs.